All right, that's 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk on top of my double stuffed Oreos. Just gonna get these spread into an even layer into my pan here. Of course, you can use any Oreo flavor you like. I love to do mint with this. Also peanut butter, super, super yummy. Now I'm coming in with some semi-sweet mini chocolate chips, but of course you could do peanut butter with this, you could do white chocolate, you can do all kinds of flavors and customize. Alrighty, I'm coming in with a little bit of Cool Whip, and I'm just gonna start globbing this out into sections, placing this into my pan. We're gonna spread it into an even layer here. Ooh, these are all my favorite treats in here right now. Our Cool Whip, our Oreos, chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk. You cannot go wrong with this delicious, amazing treat. You're gonna wanna make it with the holidays coming up. You're gonna be with your family and be looking for that special something to impress everyone with your culinary skills. And this is going to be it. All right, this looks beautiful, like a snow-covered mountain. Now I'm coming in with my Duncan Hines Double Food Brownie Mix. Shake, shake, shake this little doubly mix right on top of everything. Oh my gosh, y'all, you could use brownie mix in this, you could use cake mix. I just like to keep anything and everything chocolate all together. Yummy. All right, now I've got a stick of butter here and my grater, my hand grater for cheese, for butter, for everything delicious, ooey gooey, and I am just gonna grate this whole stick of butter here onto my chocolate cake mix. Y'all know I love a good dump cake, and I gotta tell you, this is the best way I've found to spread this butter out. If you put pats, you're still gonna have some dry little sections in there. If you pour the melted butter on top, same thing. You can't make this cake top perfectly smooth, and so you're always gonna have nooks, crannies, and crevices, and this just gets in there, you know? It really lets you go side to side, up and down. It's so light and fluffy, and then it just melts and makes the most even crust. Alrighty, y'all, look at those beautiful layers. This is gonna be so tasty with those Oreos, chocolate chips, our Cool Whip, and then our little dump chocolate cake on top. I'm gonna place this in my oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, 40 minutes in the oven. We did it 30 minutes uncovered, 30 minutes covered, 10 minutes uncovered. Now I'm just gonna top this with a little bit of powdered sugar. What a simple and easy dessert that's gonna be so delicious. We've got our sweetened condensed milk, our Oreos, our chocolate chips, our Cool Whip, and that chocolate cake on top. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? I love it. All right, let's get a delicious piece here. Now I did let this cool down for about 10 minutes. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So ooey, gooey, warm, delicious. Oh, look at that Oreo in there. Oh my God, y'all, this is my favorite dessert. You've gotta try this. You gotta try it.